While I mentioned Miss Olivia's here, she has set up shop on our weather porch. It's a lovely day.
It is, isn't it?
What are you making?
These are cheddar garlic biscuits. And they have done right well at Miss Olivia's.
Well, they look right tasty.
And they're easy.
Okay.
I make my own baking mix because I'd a whole lot rather make the baking mix than get ready and go store.
What are the basic ingredients you use?
This is all-purpose flour, Crisco, and salt.
Okay.
And some sugar and some baking powder.
Yum.
I'll put the recipe on the website if you think anybody'd like to have it.
I think they would.
Because Biscuit may get, like some other things, a little hard to get a hold of, but this is just, it's a baking mix, and Biscuit is a baking mix.
Okay.
Now to that I'm going to add garlic powder, and I'm going to add spicy ranch dressing mix. I just found the spicy recently.
I didn't know they made that.
I didn't either. Found it at the grocery store. Toss that about just a little bit, and then add 3 cups, which is 12 ounces, of shredded, I use shredded sharp cheddar. Extra sharp would be real good.
Can you have too much cheese?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so.
So just dump the whole bag, right?
This is going to stick like the mischief, though. So before you put it on your baking sheet, be real generous with the pan spray. Now once I get this tossed together more or less perfectly, this is a cup of buttermilk. Now there's whole buttermilk and there's that stuff I call the green stuff. This is
I'm
whole
guessing
buttermilk.
you prefer the whole buttermilk.
That's
based
the
on
whole
that.
buttermilk. The skim milk one is the one I call the green stuff.
It's not thick enough though, right? I mean, it really does impact your recipe.
I'm not quite sure what it is.
And you don't want to find out either. Okay, so stick with, as
Now
Miss
it
Olivia
looks like
suggests, the
this
real
is not
buttermilk.
going to be enough liquid.
Okay,
but
so what do you do?
Just keep stirring.
Okay.
Because it is plenty of liquid. As you see, mine came out a little flat this morning because I might have got my ratios off a ½ ounce or so.
Is that usually the indicator if it's a flatter biscuit?
Yes,
Okay.
if you spread them out, any kind of biscuit, it's going to get flatter.
Sure.
But if you put them up closer together, see how pretty those are?
Those are beautiful. And they smell so good. I wish you guys could smell these, man.
They are good, I promise you.
And you serve them just as a dinner side?
I serve them with the daily special.
Okay.
Today we had meatloaf and cream potatoes and sweet peas,
yum.
and this was the bread that went with it.
Okay.
This will be your best friend if you're going to do these or anything else, but you just simply dip and drop.
Oh, that is easy. Do you have to spray this first? at all?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
We're just pretending right now.
Okay.
You spray it with a vengeance, because cheese sticketh.
Yes.
But it's done. Now there is a topping, and that recipe will be on the website. It's melted butter and some more of the garlic powder, some more of the ranch dressing mix.
And you add that
To
once they're finished baking? Or?
You brush it on.
Okay.
Yeah, just brush
Okay.
it. And I found that once is enough. The first ones I did, we just brushed and brushed and brushed, and they got a little on the soggy side.
Oh, okay.
But
okay.
when butter makes things soggy, it's not as bad as when something else makes
No.
it soggy.
There could be worse things, in my opinion, but these look heavenly, so tasty.
Well-
And remind folks where you're located.
1108 West Broadway in the city of Maryville in the Oak Park Historic section.
Yes, it's a charming home. All
122 years old this year.
right. Wow.
The house, not me.
Yeah, I didn't think so. I didn't think so. All right, well, we will certainly taste these biscuits. Foxy, did you have one?
Not yet.
Not yet. He'll let us know. I'm sure he will approve.
Warm them just a bit before you eat them, because I can't imagine one of them cold.
Okay.
Ew.
We will take your advice. Miss Olivia, always glad to see you.
I'm
Thank
so
you
happy to
much.
be here. Thank you.
Well, we have missed you.
Yeah.
Nice biscuits. Coming right up, Todd Howe.
Be right there, as they say.